Greetings. Tonight we're making two dishes, two of my favorite dishes. This organic penne ziti rigate, it says. This is from the Costco Wholesale Business Center, but you can also find it at the regular Costco in Teterboro, New Jersey. And we're making that with the Costco's basil pesto. And the pesto has a tremendous amount of salt in it, so we're not going to be salting the water, but I did add some vinegar to keep the pasta from sticking. And we're making another of my favorite dishes, wild sockeye salmon from the Copper River in Alaska, and I'm going to do that in the oven. So I'm doing the pasta first. It's a cooking time of 11 minutes. The sockeye salmon fillet probably take only 5 minutes in a preheated oven. So here's the fillet of wild sockeye salmon my wife brought home from the Costco in Teterboro. Meanwhile, I went to the Costco in Wayne to buy some white wine, and I picked up another jar of pesto. I'm going to be using the pesto not only on the pasta, but I'm going to be adding it to this salmon. I'm just going to add some lemon juice before putting it into the oven. That's about a half big lemon. Okay, so I did add a little crushed red pepper. Now it'll be going into the oven as soon as the pasta's finished. Preheated 425-degree oven. By the way, that sockeye was $13.99 a pound today, $2 less than when the wild salmon first appeared in the first week of June. It's now about the middle of the month. No, not quite. 6/17, June 17. Okay, the pasta's going in. 11 minutes. I'm going to set the timer on the stove. So what I did was, as soon as I drained the penne in the colander, I popped the salmon into the preheated 425-degree oven, and then I set the timer 5 minutes, and then I blended the pesto, about half of a 22-ounce jar, plus a quarter cup of organic pignoli nuts. Pignoli, of course, pine nuts are one of the ingredients in pesto. And then 2 nice handfuls, fistfuls of organic spinach went in there. And now I'm just waiting for the salmon to be ready. Okay, so I took the salmon out after 5 minutes. Again, preheated 425-degree oven, and it was a little rare in the middle. The rest of my family won't eat it that way. I probably would have tried it, so it went back in for 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to put the pesto on it and plate our dinner. There it is, a beautiful dinner. Wild sockeye salmon from the Copper River in Alaska. Organic penne pasta with basil pesto, pine nuts, and organic spinach. I'm going to have some Sauvignon Blanc, wine from New Zealand. I bought it at Costco Wholesale in Wayne today. Enjoy.